Alright, here we have a little KMC alarm clock. I'm gonna guess it's from the 80s, because the battery that was in it was from August 7th, 1983. And this is an old Energizer. I mean, look at that thing. Does it have a date on it? When it expires? I don't see one. Alkaline. Yeah, I don't know why it's going out of focus so bad, but it is. Anyway, the battery's from August of 1983, so I'd imagine this clock is about as old. I got this for free for helping at that yard sale where I got a bunch of stuff. Really nothing that great, but you know. Just your basic little alarm clock, but I seen it and she said I could have anything for helping, and I was like, I'll take this. And I took it. KMC model number. Come on, focus. Focus. Come on. It ain't working. Anyway, it's a model number KMC 500A. Electric LED alarm clock. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 5 watts. UL listed. And it has clock instructions. I still don't know why it won't focus. Maybe. Because of that light, I would imagine. I don't know. That's quality control passed. Maybe it was made in 1982 of December. Because there's a code that says 8212. Made in Hong Kong. That's better than China Pride. So, set the time here. Say it's 7 o'clock. Alarm is set for 12, so... Whoa. LED's a little messed up, I guess. I'm not going to complain for free. I'll just go until it goes off. Yeah. And there you go. I think it's a little broken, but whatever. For free, I'm not gonna complain. But anyway, there's a little KMC alarm clock from the 80s sometime. I'd imagine 1982. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.